Hey guys, welcome back to Bee's Kitchen. Hoping you're all doing well. Today I am going to show you how to make this delicious golden sausage rolls. If you've not tried this before, stay with me and let's get started. Now to begin with, you're going to need puff pastry sheet. I purchased this from my local supermarket, and also you're going to need some sausages. Next, in a bowl, what you're going to do is literally just squeeze the sausage meat out from the sausage casing, and just ensure that you have done this gently, because sometimes when you force the meat out, the sausage casing can actually rip. So just gently remove the sausage meat from the casing. Next, once you have all your sausage meat in a bowl, go ahead and just mix everything together and then set this aside. I'm going to go ahead and remove the puff pastry sheet from the packaging, and then what I'll do is I'll roll out the puff pastry completely flat. Using a knife, I'm just going to slice the puff pastry sheets into equal parts, and I'm just doing this by slicing at the middle part of the puff pastry right all the way down to the bottom, and this will ensure that I have two equal parts. I'm now going to fill my puff pastry sheet using the sausage meat, and I'm filling this in a long, almost like a log shape at the middle part of the puff pastry sheet. Once I have finished filling the pastry sheet with my sausage meat, I'm just mixing one egg together, and then I'm going to just lightly egg wash the inner part of the pastry sheet. This will just ensure that once I fold the pastry sheet over, it's nice and sealed. Next, I'm just going to go ahead and fold the pastry sheets over. And as you can see, I have my two sausage rolls ready, and I am just sealing the edges using my fingers. And next, I'm going to go ahead and slice these sausage rolls into equal parts. Now, of course, guys, if you want your sausage rolls to be mini sausage rolls, then go ahead and cut it into small pieces. If you want it to be larger than the sizes that I'm cutting mine, then of course go ahead and slice yours into much larger sizes. Next, using a knife, I'm just gently slicing the top of my sausage rolls. Of course, guys, you can make any designs as you wish on top of your sausage rolls, but I just like to keep mine very simple, just, slicing the top part and doing nothing fancy. Once I have finished slicing the top using a fork, I am just sealing the edges of the sausage rolls. I am now placing the sausage rolls on a baking tray which is lined with greaseproof paper. If you don't have greaseproof paper at home, don't forget that your puff pastry sheet actually came wrapped in greaseproof paper, and that's exactly what I have used. So I'm just going to lay all my sausage rolls on the baking tray, and then next I'm going to egg wash the top of the sausage rolls. And I have finished egg washing my sausage rolls, so I'm going to place it in a preheated oven at 200 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes. And 20 to 25 minutes later, these sausage rolls are ready, guys. Look at how beautiful they look. I cannot wait to enjoy. Make these at home, save yourself some money, and it is absolutely delicious. I'm going to break it so you can see how beautiful these sausage rolls look. If you have not yet subscribed, kindly please click on that subscribe button, and don't forget to like and also share this video. Enjoy. Bye.